In this tutorial, I'll show you how to multiply numbers in a Notion database using a formula. This is useful for calculating totals, expenses, inventory values, or any other data that requires multiplication. Let's get started. Open the Notion database where you want to perform the calculation. Make sure you already have two number properties such as price and quantity or any other numeric values you want to multiply. Next, click the plus icon to add a new property and select Formula. Give the property a name like Total. In the formula editor, enter the multiplication formula using the asterisk operator. For example, if your properties are named price and quantity, type prop price times prop quantity, then click Done. Notion will instantly calculate the result for every row in your database. Whenever you change the value in either number property, the total will update automatically, so you never have to recalculate it manually. You can use the same method to calculate order totals, budgets, sales figures, inventory values, grades, or any other multiplication-based calculation in your workspace. That's how to multiply numbers in Notion. Thanks for watching.